Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a very important function in the application, which is to allow the user to open the charts in their predefined way. To explain it clearly, let's go straight into the application. Okay, so as you can see, every trader might have your own habit to open each chart. Like myself, I like to open a chart, but I also want to all the moving average displayed in different color scheme like that. So because if I open a chart like that, I will see very clearly what's the price action and what is the strength of the stock right now. So that will help me for my analysis. Okay, so if I open another chart, for example, and the application display in a default way, I don't want this because I'm gonna go to define each indicators once again, waste my time. So when I click this icon, the logic stick, the magic stick, whatever you call that icon here, is to use the saved unified chart opening mode. You turn on this mode. As you can see here, it tells you if you click that icon, the unified chart opening mode is turned on. And now let's open another chart one again. As you can see, the chart's opening in the same way like this one. Even though I will open another one, it's still that's the way that I wanted the chart to be open. Cool. How am I gonna do this? Show you guys from the first round, the first step. Okay, let's close everything. All right. So if you go into the chart menu, the second one is the open mode settings. If you do have some predefined chart opening mode items, and this one it will be enabled. So if you click clear the unified chart opening settings, that you clean up everything. You clean up all your predefined settings. Let's just, because I want to show you guys for the step 0. So I'll click that. Now you can see it's grayed up, which means you don't have any predefined settings. Now let's open up chart. Now I'm gonna do all the settings at the first time. So in here I bring up my moving average. I added 50 days. Okay, and also I'm gonna add 30 days. Okay, also I like to have my 20 days as well. This one means exponential moving average. I'm gonna explain it in another video. So basically this kind of moving average is more close to the price action. It have more weight when the price is close to present day, and yep, that's the one I like to use. And let's add a 10 days as well. Let's put it pink. Cool. So when you want to save the settings, as you can see in each item right here, there is a button, a save button here. If you click the save button, means you like the settings for this particular indicator, and it will save to the application memory. Okay, so I click save. I like my 50 days, and also click the save for the 30 days. Click the save for 20 days. Click the save for 10 days. Now I saved them all. Let's click that unified chart opening mode icon and turn it on. So that's this nap for now. If I open this chart again, see, as you can see, the chart opening in that predefined mode. because I saved it, right? As you can see, that's grayed out. You can't change it because you save it. Um, for example, if you want to add one more, like you want to have your 5 days moving average now display in white color. For example, you want to add one more. You can add that indicator here and click save. Okay, so for example, you open another chart. As you can see, because I'm at a 5 days in the white color, it goes in here. Even though we start up our application again, once if you have the predefined indicators settings saved, and it will bring it up next time. So for example, I like my RSI indicator as well. Okay, I'm save it. Now let me just start close all of the charts and turn on another one. For example, if I turn it off, the unified chart open mode off, and then the chart will be open in default way. Let's say here, well, it's not a good chart. Anyway, it's displaying it in a default way. Let's bring up WPL. As you can see here, there's no indicators here. There's nothing here. There's no indicators open for me. I don't so because I have predefined my own way to open up. If I turn it on and open up again, so as you can see, the chart is open in my favorite way. This function will save you some time, because once you finish in the very first time, and you don't need to do in the future. So basically, do it once. Yeah, you'll be okay for the next time. You can always use it. The way you clean up all these settings is, remember to open this chart mode setting and clear unified chart opening settings. Now that's the way to clean up all the settings. Okay, so if you click here, all the settings here, it's gone. But if you want to delete the individual one, you need to go into the individual one and click close. If you close that, say you don't want a 50 days moving average, and you don't like the RSI open, you could. Okay. Now if you open another chart, so as you can see, the RSI is gone, the 50 days moving average is gone. Yeah, so that's how you change the individual ones. Cool. I think that's the part for the unified chart opening mode. There's another thing I want to explain to you is sometimes you can see the chart can, how to say that, the chart can be extended or pressed. So what you do is you put the mouse in the chart. If you move your mouse middle wheel up, as you can see, the chart is being extended. The interval is increased, right? And if you scroll your mouse wheel down, okay, that'll be like this. Shrink it to the middle. If you put a mouse in those price, okay, if you press your left mouse key up and down, you can move the charts. Okay, and if you press your left mouse in this bars, also you can move up and down. And if you move your mouse in this area, the price y-axis area, so right where is the price displaying, and you move your middle wheel up, you can scratch, yeah, extend it as well, stretching those charts. And also, yeah, so you guys, once you have this open, you guys can play around with it, and then I think it's very intuitive way to control the charts. That's this part. The final one is I want to explain a little bit more is the overall chart settings. So Some people doesn't like the default like blue background color. You can change it here. If you click here, open the overall chart color settings, you can change the background to white. For example, you like that way. Also, yes, the white color, and change all the text displayed here as black. So the red color, it doesn't show you immediately. You need to change it. Click the you need to make this chart fresh. So basically, you can click any one of here. Now, you also don't like this up and down bars in the red and green color. What I already told you guys in another video is you can change it to go into the chart line chart settings. Sorry, that is should be the chart bar settings. Okay, so that's the second one. So you can define your upper bars as black color because it's very stands out in a white background, and you like the others, you keep it. Okay, so you can also change that the grid color. It's too bright like that, so you can change those colors as well. So basically, you can see right now we turn this chart into another style. So basically, the white background, etc. Cool. I think that's pretty much all the contents in this video tutorial. I hope this tutorial helped you, and also try to use these functions and save you a lot of time when you turn it on. When you open up the charts, you can set up all the charts. Basically, it applies all the indicators. For example, if you save the spectrum and turn on the unified mode, you open another chart. As you can see, these new indicators will also open up for me. Okay, cool. I think that's pretty much it for this video tutorial. I hope this content helps you. Thanks for your watching. I see you guys in another video.